Spread the Smile is an annual program of Disha which runs for 3 to 4 weekends every January and February in villages around Pune. The main aim of the program lies in the name itself, spreading the joy of learning to those whose idea of education is limited to reading textbooks. It is very disheartening to see that the answer to the question, how do you study, is almost always we memorize the things given in our books. Through Spread the Smile, we attempt to change this, to show the children that science can be fun, it can be exciting, and above all, it can be relevant in their day-to-day lives. Doing what little we can to further the spread of scientific temperament is always valuable work. And this is what volunteers keep in mind while conducting a number of experiments and activities carefully designed to appeal to the innate curiosity of every child. The session starts on Saturday morning with various science demonstrations, making way to hands-on activities and culminating in a sky-gazing session at night.
Sunday morning is devoted to fun activities like map making, game theory and genetics. The other aim of Spread the Smile is to give an opportunity to the volunteers to get a taste of village life. They get to step out of the bubble of quality education and experience educational reality of rural India. The hope is that the volunteers will be able to take a step further on the path of becoming competent science educators.